Give me a... Okay, play.
Good day, everyone. I will be discussing sample problem involving a sensible cooling of air problem. Air at 25 degrees Celsius, dry bulb temperature, and humidity ratio of 0.01 kilogram per gram is cooled sensibly to 20 degrees Celsius. Air flow is equal to 2 cubic meter per second at inlet and specific volume of 0.90 cubic meter per kilogram. And the CP is 1.005 kilojoules per kilogram times Kelvin. So first, we will going to identify the mass, and we just simply divide the airflow and the volume 2 cubic meter per second over 0.90 cubic meter per kilogram, and we can cancel out the cubic meter to get this value 2.22 kilogram per second. And heat remove. The formula for heat remove is QNCP delta T, and we are just going to substitute the value for mass is equal to 2.22. CP is 1.005 and delta T 35 minus 20 to get the heat remove value in 33.5 kilowatts.